Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kapung Umïam gede kapung kapapdiang lut iki Jaboh jaban kibawan tuit na nong ba shilong lingba kawa kra bat sherpi bat kini ki Jaboh jaban bunsin na lum diki brig bade na kishnong kibadan hajan jong kapung kibajulum ki bitor plastik bat kiwe kitiar kitar kibala peras la Hanay manda kasi ka sorkar jala kala persyang man pentre kam ka way kabut na kabantaban lumi ki Jaboh jaban ban penko ya kapung Umïam na kabapentre kam ya ka Lieng robot kat kum ka jing start ka batib kum ka artificial intelligence. Kani kadai ka jam ka baningkong ban pen isya ki pat baling ba ka jing itay lang ka sorkar jala ka smart village movement haringkat bat ka UC Berkeley bat ka core jing start jong ka SVM Clearbot. Kani ka jing tmu kadai ka rukam ka bathamay kumno ban penye pensa ya ka maryang kat kum ka juk start ki core ki bor. Ya kani ka but thamay bat core jing start ka bapendan kam ha ban wengi ki jing ki baya kendu ka may maryang lapen pat ba hakendong rela hatan maudun harut kapung Umïam. Kani ka jing persyang man pentre kami kani ka but kani kumba shita yo hakaba en penet jing mut ban pendan kami ka artificial intelligence hagi Lieng robot ki balom mi ki Jaboh jaban na kabantaban wan rabyang ya ka jing itanat bat jing khu jing kapung Umïam. Ka Smart Village Movement kadai ka jam ka baya so lang bat ka UC Berkeley has Center of Growth Markets. Kini kiling ki batray kam kat kum ka artificial intelligence ki don ban playlat ban ya kun ni ka jing Jaboh ka da ka ba itu ki jaka ki balang bha ki Jaboh jaban kat kum kani ka but tray kam en la ban pen khu ki Jaboh jaban phnyang bat ki wei ha ka ba ha ka shisni an la ban weng kum ba khat san liter ko phnyang bat spa kilo ka Jaboh menta ka singi lala ban lum spa san pho kilo ki Jaboh jaban hapo laiken ta duna bala sakhi ya kani re ki brio na ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation, Tourism Department, Shillong Municipal Board, Rangba Shnong, Kirawan met kiriw pat ba.
Your control. Yeah.
What do you say? We have come here.
Please, can you introduce yourself first?
Hi, I'm Utkarsh.
I'm Siddhant. We are the co-founders of Clearbot. We have a company where we make unmanned boats that are able to clean garbage out of the water.
Okay. And what is exactly that you all are doing here? If you can tell us more about that.
Sure. Today we are here in Shillong in Umïam Lake, and as you can see behind me, it's quite dirty. So today we've got our robot, which is driving around and collecting the garbage out of the water.
Okay. And do you think, firstly, can you tell us more about Clearbot, this machine or this robot that you've all invented? What's the capacity of collecting waste and more about that?
Sure. So the current version that's here today, it can pick up 200 kgs in weight and about 1 cubic meter in volume. And actually we have bigger versions that can do even more amount if required. And the machine can work either in radio control mode and can be operated by anybody, or it can work in autonomous mode where we set the GPS location and it can clean on its own.
Okay.
And it runs fully electric, so it doesn't burn any kind of fuel. Right, and we can run it for about 4 hours on a daily basis, and it collects about 200 kgs in its full capacity in terms of the waste.
Looking at the waste here that has accumulated at Umïam River, how many Clearbots will be required to clear up the waste here?
We actually have a bigger version of the boat, and I think with just one boat in a few months, we can actually clear this space up. But of course, if we have more boats, it's always faster.
Yeah,
right?
so I was saying the more boats, the better. I guess it's kind of endless, but we propose, hey, have 5 to 10 boats here and clean this up as quickly.
Okay. And can you tell us, this robot has been used firstly where, if you can tell us more about that?
Actually, this robot is being built in Bangalore, in India. And we started in India, the first time usage in Bangalore. And we're also using it outside India. So for example, in Hong Kong, there's a fleet of boats, multiple boats there. And in Bangalore, we've piloted in Banaras, in Varanasi before, and also in Kerala before. So, but this is our first time in the Northeast. And this is very new technology that we're bringing here, and hopefully able to help the water condition here.
This is your first experience cleaning up such waste like this, or can you tell us your experience?
I think this is the first time, we came here on Monday to scout the site. I was visibly shook by the amount of waste here. But since Wednesday we've been coming every day to clean this up, and I think this is the first time we've had to deal with so much waste. But we've also built our machines to deal with it. So I hope this pilot sort of satisfies all of the local authorities that this robot is a feasible solution.
Okay. Anything else that you would like to say?
We really hope that we are able to have a robot in Shillong and clean up the lake. I hope the government and the public will support us in our mission.
Okay. Thank you. Sir, if you can introduce yourself first, please.
Hi, so my name is Pinchai Marpana. I'm the project fellow at Smart Village Movement. So I'm also the lead of this project. Yeah.
Okay. And how did this idea come about? That Clearbot was the right people to go to get this Umïam River cleaned up.
So actually, as a Smart Village Movement, we look for for technology, for some kind of innovation and technology where we can solve the pain points and address the challenges of the people. Actually, so here as you can see that all these ways, this is a pain point for all for the fishermen, for the community, as well as for the institution and corporation. So what we do is we find out technologies, companies who have this technology that can clear, that can solve the solution. The pain points of all the citizens.
Okay. How many months or years has it taken for you to start or begin this initiative?
So actually, as a project lead. So as a project lead, it's not. It doesn't take time actually. So we just started in the last year in October. So we started to find some solutions. So we started from October. Then in this month, this year, we find our partner Clearbot. So with them, with their expertise, we bring in this technology again.
Okay. So next, what's going to happen after this pilot project?
So after the demonstration, we'll show to the government that this can be a very good model for cleaning the water bodies, and also it can be it's not like just a project. It can also be a vision for a cleaner Umïam Lake or cleaner water bodies.
Okay.
Yeah.
And from your assumption, what do you think is the total waste that has accumulated here? How much, will it take months or years to get this whole thing cleaned up?
So as per the data, the recorded data from the government, every day around 20 to 25 tons it accumulates this solid waste. So just imagine, in per day that machine can only collect 200 kg. So I think it needs.
One good thing that you all are doing here is cleaning up.
Yes.
However, we also need to end from where it's coming. We see, Martin, there's
Yes.
the landfill, it's overflowing.
Yeah.
So similarly, will there be a way for Smart Village Movement to also work on that, or what's your plan?
So actually, as of now, we are not thinking of that. So we are just focusing on cleaning this river and lakes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.